Hello everyone, today we'll discuss how the Madras High Court paves way for firm to proceed with defamation suit against Subramanian Swamy in Singapore High Court. In a judgment passed on April 18th this year, a division bench of Justices S.S. Sundar and B.B. Balaji set aside an injunction granted against the firm by a single judge in 2014. Set aside an injunction granted against the firm by a single judge in 2014. The court reasoned that it lacked the jurisdiction to grant an anti-suit injunction against a foreign company. In view of our above findings on all the issues, we are of the view that there is no prima facie case in favor of the first respondent or plaintiff to grant any interim order, as this court has no jurisdiction to grant anti-suit injunction restraining a foreign company from prosecuting the defamation suit in a foreign country. We find balance of convenience in favor of the appellant, the judgment stated. The division bench allowed two connected appeals filed by Advantage Strategic Consulting Private Limited, Singapore-based subsidiary company, challenging the 2014 order of a single judge bench. Through this order, the court had initially granted interim injunction against the subsidiary firm and then made it absolute. It thus restrained the firm from proceeding with a defamation suit filed against Swamy before the High Court of Singapore for having named it in the Aircel Maxi scam. On the issue of jurisdiction, it noted this court cannot decide whether the Singapore High Court has jurisdiction or first respondent is amenable to the jurisdiction of Singapore court in a suit which is filed in a court which does not have inherent jurisdiction to decide the jurisdiction of a foreign court.